Hello, my name is Francesco Licausi and I am an associate professor in plant sciences in the Department of Biology here in Oxford. I and my group are studying how plants sense low oxygen levels and how they adapt to this stressful condition. Oxygen is extremely important for plants as it is for us because it acts as a terminal electron acceptor and it allows energy production in cells through oxidative phosphorylation. Now, we might wonder why plants are sensitive to low oxygen conditions when they produce oxygen through photosynthesis, releasing it from water. The reality is that only green tissues can do that, and when light is present. So organs such as roots underground or fruits can be instead very sensitive to low oxygen conditions. And this becomes a big problem when the oxygen availability in the environment is reduced, for example, under submergence. And this is because gases diffuse very slowly in water, and this creates severe hypoxic conditions for plant organs. So now our experiments require plants to be treated with different oxygen concentrations for very long periods. For these reasons, we teamed up with Don Whitley Scientific, and we now have a custom instrument which has the perfect light setting to grow plants inside, but also it allows us to treat them throughout the normal day-night light cycles with different oxygen concentrations and also control temperature at different moments of the day and night and when oxygen concentrations are different.
Hi, I'm Monica. I'm a first year DPhil student at the University of Oxford, Department of Plant Science. As we know, most of crops, including wheat, are very sensitive to oxygen limitations. Some plants, including rice, are actually an exception since they evolved some mechanism to grow under submergence and thrive. And they're also able to germinate under flooding conditions. So what happens is that when the embryo grows, it produces a little hollow leaf that is able to, as a snorkel, reach the surface and then allow the gas exchange with the environment. Now, we are actually collaborating with many groups within the UK and Europe to actually understand better how the oxygen sensing in flowering plants works. What we know so far is that the oxygen sensing is mediated by the oxygen-dependent degradation of signaling protein. And this degradation is mediated by so-called NCO enzyme, which stands for enzyme-assisted oxidases. These enzymes exploit oxygen in the environment to induce an oxygen-dependent degradation. So in brief, under flooding, the lack of oxygen inhibits the action of the NCO, therefore stabilizing the activity of the F7 protein. The F7 actually acts as main protagonists in the oxygen sensing, since when they are stabilized under amoxia, they can induce main changes in morphology and in metabolism, which increase the tolerance of plants.